Guy, the guy that's over here. I see him flinching, but just keep an eye on maybe.
Yes, I will.
I shot him in the head twice, no idea.
Shot him in the head.
Hey guys, today was a bit of a funny day as some of the enemy team weren't liking the headshots that were being put their way. Not that they're on purpose, but they do happen, and if people don't take their first hit, they're going to be getting shot repeatedly, regardless if it's their head or body. This is Airsoft, where you knowingly and willingly go into a place where you're allowing other people to shoot you. I don't wear face protection under my balaclava, and have been shot in the head many times. My response to this happening is me congratulating that guy that managed to get such a great shot on me. I think the way the marshals handled this was top notch and showed everyone that they're hot on the issue and won't have anything that shoots above the limit on their field. The game mode is VIP Extraction, where 2 teams of 4 are tasked with protecting and escorting 2 HVTs to an extraction point chosen by the marshals. The only problem is I've been separated from my team and I'm now trying to get back to them. Slowly moving along the tree line, I see the enemy engaged with the other team, so I kindly sling some heavy balls their way. Because of the long grass and all the cover about, the only thing I can see are these guys' heads. This is probably where they were getting annoyed. I think the issue was that a few people had welts that drew blood on their head, and for this reason the marshals thought it was best to show everybody everything was legally safe and under the limit.
All snipers again, Martin, recoil. Yeah, you good, mate? I'm actually running 291, yeah, you're well under, yeah. You are well under, mate.
Yeah.
Well under. I take it that.
Yeah.
Yep, definitely.
Back to finding my team, I still haven't got a clue where the VIP is, so I've now resorted to clearing the woodland of as many patrols as possible. By this time, the first VIP had got to his exfil point and the enemies were making it very difficult for my team's VIP to get to his. We didn't get it in the end, but before the game came to an end, I found this absolute diamond who put a new meaning to the phrase God mode. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you don't like headshots, leave a comment below explaining your reason why. And if you want to see a ghillie go full ninja style, click here and watch this video next.
Over here, mate. Come on, pal.